This game drives me crazy. I'm going nuts. And I'm starting to get addicted into this play-to-earn blockchain NFT game, which will be launching on the Avalanche network. So let's get on to it. So what's up, peeps? This is Jeff, aka Nomad Fury, and we're back once again for another video. So before we begin, I have noticed that most of the viewers here haven't subscribed to my channel yet. So I do have a small favor to ask from you. No matter if you're new to this channel or if you have watched my videos from the past until now, I'm inviting you to smash the subscribe button, hit like, and turn on the notification bell. And this video is only intended for educational purposes, so I am not a financial or investment advisor. So before you're going to invest in any cryptocurrency or play-to-earn blockchain NFT game, make sure that you always do your own research, only invest in an amount that you can afford to lose, and manage your risk very well. It's because cryptocurrencies in play-to-earn blockchain NFT games are subject to substantial risk and are prone to high volatility. And not only that, this doesn't give any promises or astronomical guaranteed returns. So without further ado, let's begin with our main topic for this video. So I'm going to scroll down. So this is the introduction to Ascenders. So, and I quote, Ascenders combines a story-driven open world with a fully decentralized player-driven crypto economy to deliver a totally new ARPG experience. Built on the Avalanche network, Ascenders features a dual token economy and a player-created NFTs, and is one of the first major games to leverage the power and flexibility of AVAX subnets. So you could read all of the description right here in the light paper of Ascenders, as well as the other information that you need to know. So there will be 1 million AGC prize pool. So as of this time in recording this video, so the competition will end in more than 30 days from now, okay? So we could play for drafts, compete, or tweet. 2 ways to earn rewards. All we have to do is to be our best. So the top 100 players will receive AGC tokens. The very best players get huge bonuses. Or we could hash and tweet. So be part of the future. Spread the message for a chance at AGC bonus for the most creative. Okay. And here is the leaderboard right now. So in order for you to qualify for the reward pool of AGC tokens under the Avalanche network, you need to be on the top 100 before the countdown timer runs out. So just like I said, only the top 100 players will be qualified for the AGC airdrop. So you could also read the combat challenge frequently asked questions right here. So I have provided all of these source links right here on my YouTube description. And of course, how to play this game. So it is available for both Windows and Mac OS. And Mac build will be coming soon. And here are the minimum requirements for each operating system when you're going to play Ascenders. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's head over to the game. Okay guys, so we are here right now in the Ascenders game. But before that, let's configure first, you know, about the input. So you could see the keys right here. And of course, the jump, the dash, the sprint, the toggle sprint, the attack, and the look up. And of course, we can also use the gamepad. But for now, I'm going to use the keyboard, because I am more used to being a PC gamer rather than being a joystick gamer, you know. And also guys, I have disabled the background music to avoid copyright issues. Alright? Now, let's click play. I'm excited. Let's go. Here we go. So this reminds me of, you know, Dragon Nest, in which we could clear these stages in a time limit. What are we hunting right now? Come on, I need to see monsters. We could jump. There's no double jump. All right, here we go. Come on, guys. I need to lure you. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh. So we need to eliminate as many monsters as we can. Okay. So the more we eliminate before the time runs out, of course, we'll be getting scores, you know. Oh wow. So the goal is to eliminate as many monsters as we can on a time limit. So the more we eliminate, the higher our rankings. So this dash right here, guys, reminds me of Cabal, you know. Oh. Where are you guys at? This is Cabal vibes, by the way. But the objective is like, Dragon Nest. Alright. Come out, wherever you are. Where are you? Oh! That looks nasty, man. Come on! Hey, we still have like less than 3 minutes to go. Alright, I need to lure a lot. Come on! I need more monsters, man. Come on! Alright. Alright, here we go. There are lots of them. Come on, come on. Here we go. Nice. Alright, so if you're going to do this attack, of course, just press space and left click so that you can jump while attacking, you know? This will create a massive area of effect attack. Where are you? Less than 2 minutes to go. Final 2 minutes. Guys, I need you to do mass gathering. No social distancing, guys. Come on. You are free not to do social distancing so that I could eliminate you all. I need these monsters to cooperate, man. Social distancing is not allowed. Here we go. Guys, come on. Mass gathering, activate. Come on. There we go. All right. I freaking love this game, man. Oh my god, only 40 seconds left. The dash reminds me of Cabal. And if you're going to hold left shift, of course, your movement speed will increase. You are running. 7 seconds to go. Come on. Oh, time's up. Let's see. Oh! It's a new record for me. My previous high was 2,704. Now it's 3,317. Okay. So, where's my rank currently? Okay, so I am using my Twitter. So I'm currently at rank 1,797. Oh my god. So I still have a long way to go. You know, I still have a month to get into the top 100. You know, to grab this AGC airdrop, you know, to be qualified. But yeah, this is really exciting, and wow, I'm so addicted. Let's try to play again and see if I could beat others right here. Come on, I need to break my current score of 3,317. Here we go. I am dashing. I need to lure a lot. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Oh, I'm not happy with this. On some more, baby. Oh! Oh, come on, man. I need to lure as many monsters as I can, man. I need to collect these. It's really important. Oh yeah, so before he's going on a rampage, I have interrupted this guy. Under 4 minutes to go. Guys, where are you? No social distancing. Come on. I need to familiarize this map, man. Come on. I need to maximize this dash skill, you know. Oh. Where are you? There we go. Here we go. There are a lot. There are a lot. Come on. I need you guys. I need you. Nice. Come on. Come on. That's it. That's it. That's it. All right. I love this dash, man. Oh, nice. I need to find ya. Where are you guys? Come on. Here we go. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, yeah, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go. We still have under 2 minutes remaining. Last 2 minutes. I need to collect lots of these, man. I think this is really important. Okay. Boom. I need to master you know, this map. Okay, under a minute to go. Let's see if I can do better this time and beat my previous all-time high score. Here we go. Oh, only 4 of you? Okay, where is the rest? Come on. I need you guys to appear. We only have 15 seconds to go. Sorry to interrupt. Alright, 6 seconds. Oh, time's up. Let's see my score. Oh! Another new record. I beat it. Okay. Wow. Let's see my rank right now. 1650th. So, if I could go to top 100, man, I could tweet the score. I need to practice this. My goodness, I'm so addicted. So what I think about this game, you know, this is really beyond my expectations, you know. I think I'm going to be bullish on this one since it is under Avalanche Network. So I'm really looking forward for this game to go live when this NFT ecosystem will be finally integrated in Ascenders, you know, which is under the Avalanche Network. So guys, for more information about Ascenders, just simply go to their official website at ascenders.gg. And also, I highly recommend that you should follow their official social media channels for you to stay updated about their latest developments. So guys, I have a question for you. What do you honestly think about the Ascenders play-to-earn NFT game, which is under the Avalanche Network? Do let me know right here in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching, and kindly share this to your crypto friends out there. And you want to stay updated with my latest videos, interviews, AMAs, and giveaways? Just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And also follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Telegram. So guys, I'll see you all in my next video.